A long, long time ago, when the world was still young, the animals lived together in peace. Every night, they would gather under the bright sky and admire the beautiful full moon shining above them. One night, the moon looked down at the earth and said softly, "I wonder which creature below is the kindest of all." To find out, the moon decided to visit the earth in disguise. He took the form of an old, tired traveler and walked through the forest. As the moon traveled, he met a monkey, a fox, and a rabbit sitting near a fire. The animals saw that the traveler looked weak and hungry, so they offered to help. "I'll climb up and find you some sweet fruits." The monkey quickly climbed a tall tree and brought back sweet fruits. "I will get you something tasty from the river." The fox ran to the river and caught a big fish. But the rabbit, small and gentle, had nothing to offer. The rabbit thought very hard. Then, with a brave heart, he said, "You traveler, I have no food to give you, but I can share myself so that you may live." The rabbit leaped into the fire. The monkey and the fox gasped. But before the flames could harm the rabbit, the traveler suddenly rose into the air, glowing with silver light. "Stop, kind rabbit," the traveler cried. "I am not a hungry traveler. I am the moon. You have shown the truest kindness of all." With a gentle wave of his hand, the moon lifted the rabbit safely from the fire and carried him up into the night sky. "From now on," said the moon, "your image will shine upon my face, so that everyone who looks at me will remember your kindness and courage." And that is why, even today, when you look at the full moon, you can see a shape of a little rabbit resting there, a symbol of selflessness, love, and generosity. The end.